Welcome to Microsoft Office Learning. In this video, we will learn how can we quickly delete blank columns from our data, and you'll be able to learn hack to delete the blank columns from your data in a matter of seconds. So stay tuned and watch till the end. So for example, I have few columns here, A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E, and in between there are few blank columns. So first option is to delete those blank columns. Select those column, press Control minus. Again, select those column, press Control minus. Keep selecting all these blank columns and keep pressing Control minus. Imagine if you have thousands of columns and there are 500 columns are blank. And you can see the frustration to delete those blank columns one by one. To delete those columns manually is quite hard and challenging. This is where the hack to delete the blank columns comes in. If I press Control Z to go back to the original position. So what I will do, I'll go to the top row, press Shift space, it will select the top row, and then I'll press Control G. A window will pop up. From here, I'll select Special. Another window will pop up. It has different options. I will select Blanks option, press OK. It will select all these blank columns from my data. So next step is very simple. Press Control minus and entire column, select entire column and press OK, and boom, it has deleted all the blank columns from my data in a matter of seconds. So this is how you can use this hack to delete the blank columns from your data. Hit the like button if you like this video.